Alright, we're on to step 2. Now he's got the pressure washer and he's going to try to spray it out. And boy, I hate that I missed it, but he shot it the first time and it all shot right back on him. So now he's been gagging and hurling out there in the freaking yard. Go at it again, don't let it beat you. Just don't get the inside of it wet. No, you gotta get in there, Jack. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa.
What?
You spraying it all over my motor and everything.
Oh God, I'm getting
You did too. I got video evidence. Get on up in there. May have to get us a little bleach going in there. It was rough. Wouldn't expect such a small bird to make such a big stink, but it did. Ugh.
I can smell the bird in the air.
Yeah, I know. Alright, well I think we got it.